Before you begin, remove the access panel, PCI retainer, processor memory duct assembly, rear fan, gigabit expansion board, M.2 SSD adapter board if installed, M.2 SSD adapter board guide, upper memory fan, PCI card guide front fan assembly, and all PCI cards. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the location of all cables connected to the system board for later replacement. Disconnect all cables from the connectors on the system board. Remove the audio extension cable from the routing channel between the system board and chassis. While grasping the processor heatsink, carefully slide the system board toward the front of the chassis to remove the external connectors from the cutouts in the chassis. Carefully lift the system board straight up to remove the standoffs from the cutouts in the chassis and, at an angle, remove the system board from the chassis. Note: if you are installing a new system board, remove the following from the old system board and install onto the new system board: real-time clock RTC battery, processor and heatsink, memory modules. Replacement. At an angle, carefully slide the system board into the chassis and place the standoffs on the bottom of the system board into the cutouts in the chassis. Slide the system board toward the rear of the chassis to insert the external connectors into the cutouts in the chassis and to secure the system board into place. Route the audio extension cable through the routing channel between the system board and chassis. Connect all cables into the connectors on the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the computer, updating the BIOS, updating DMI, and other settings,